Good morning. What Good morning, y'all. All right, we back again with another day in the life vlog. You know, today is Sunday, December the 7th. It's 10:44 in the morning. Mind y'all, I'm tired. Sundays is like my rest, clean up, get my life together day. So I'm gonna take y'all with me today. We're gonna do a vlog every day. Okay? So come with me. Let's do a Sunday reset in my RV. Oh, I'm trying to stretch my little body out for real in the bed. Like, y'all be stretching. Leave it alone. I'm tired. I don't think that's stretching. But I gotta use the bathroom for real. Mind y'all, hopefully, let me see. Oh, it's cold. Mind y'all, I've been keeping this door closed back here because it's just so cold. Okay, let me come back. I gotta pee. Bye. All right, so we finally at the bathroom. I can't let y'all see my business. So today we kind of gonna do like a little reset. We're gonna get everything kind of straightened back up, and we're just gonna clean up around here because it's starting to get a little stuffy, as y'all can see. Let me show y'all. I already showed y'all on the last video. If you didn't watch this video, make sure y'all know you go watch my last few videos. Make sure you comment something, say something, because I'm always asking something. Okay, everything looks a little bit of crazy. Okay, not too crazy, but just a little crazy. So we're gonna get that together. Okay, it don't gotta look like that. Period. So come with me. Let's clean the RV. Ooh. So I'm going out of town to Atlanta in a few days, so I thought I should wear my Atlanta hoodie. When you in covenant with God, you start doing things that don't make sense to other people. And people so confused by what I'm doing. People be calling me crazy for living in my RV. Like, what's crazy about saving money? What's crazy about sacrificing for a minute instead of blowing all these bills to try to live a certain way so you don't look a certain way? That's crazy. That sounds more crazier to me, don't y'all think? If you think that's crazy, drop that in the comments, because people clueless as hell. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I'm worth more than you could manage, yeah. I wish I could paint our love, these moments in vibrant. You are like synergetic gunplay, synergetic pillow talk, synergetic sweet dreams, turning. I was gonna change my sheets, but I haven't really been here sleeping on them, like, so I'm not about to. I need to go really buy some new sheets, so that's the only way I'm changing them, because I love me some white sheets. If you like white sheets, let me know down in the comments, because I love me some white sheets. Like, it just shows the cleanliness of it,
and everything. Like, oh, okay, gonna push it in the middle. Okay, great. And the best thing in the wintertime to keep you warm in your RV is to get a heated blanket. Now, I got this one from Walmart. I honestly feel like it was expensive because $30 for a heated throw blanket, you're pushing it. But now that I had it, it is so worth it. Like, I'll take this blanket on the plane, okay? Because, it be colder than a motherfucker. And I be trying to keep it in my bed. I'm gonna lay this motherfucker out now. Now I'm about to put it up while I'm gone. Pull it out when I'm done. When I come back home, just to try to keep everything clean and copacetic around here. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus? Y'all like sweeping or vacuuming better? Let me know in the comments because the broom gonna get the job done. That vacuum do things on its own terms. But this broom, I know, it's gonna clean it up. Especially on these carpets. As a hairstylist, man, I just carry so much hair with me. I just feel like it's attached to me at this point. Because what the fuck? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Throw my trash away. Ooh, it's so cold. See the sun trying to come out today, but fuck that shit. Sure. And mind y'all, my neighbor gave me that trash can because you know, my land, I ain't no trash can service yet. So my trash go out when they trash go out. I put it on the corner. They pick mine up too, so I ain't mad at it. All right. Now I do need to build a deck right here because I be tired of going up these stairs. So that's my little Sunday cleanup. Nothing major, nothing too crazy. Just kind of straightening up that mess. Desk area straightened up a little bit. My laptop is here, printer, some books I be reading, notebook. I'm taking this sewing machine to my shop. And then, like as y'all can see, it's pretty clean. Okay, I'm gonna take this to work with me. My hair bag. I got my blankets. I gotta turn my heat back on. So, but besides that, like, you know, it's pretty cleaned up. I got my dirty clothes. I put them by the front door so I remember we gotta wash them. Okay? Then you come over here. Got my bedroom. You know, we cleaned all of that up. So, yeah. And then y'all see my curtains are separate. We gotta put them, make them look like that. Okay? And then you see they fail, so I gotta put them back up somehow, some way. So, we done. About to hop in the shower. and call it a day. Thank y'all for coming to watch this video with me. If you like videos like this and you want to see more of my RV life, let me know what y'all want to see in the comments, because I don't know what y'all want to watch. I'll just live my everyday life like I do, okay? So drop in the comments what type of videos y'all want to see, what type of work, where I would get my water from, anything. Just let me know and I'll share it with y'all. I do not mind, guys. I love showing y'all this life. People think I'm crazy, but I think I'm smart, okay? So let's get this day wrapped up. Thank you guys for watching me. Make sure you like this video, comment, and share with a friend if they like videos like this too. And make sure you subscribe and you follow me so you can see more videos like this.